Darling, welcome to the library. Have you come to be Lisa's little helper? Oh, well, of course. There's always work to be done around here, you know. I'd get more done if I didn't nap as often, Well, I suppose that's sound thinking, but I hardly think the Knights of Favonius have any complaints. I'm not lazy. I just know how to save my energy for when I most need it. And somehow, I always manage to get the job done in the end. Maybe if you visited more often, I could show you how. Oh, I know that you're busy, traveler. You're an honorary knight, after all. And the courageous hero who defeated Storm Terror and saved Mondstadt. No need to be humble, darling. Rich coming from me, you say? And what makes you say that? Me? A grand mage? That was a long time ago. I'm just a humble librarian now. That's enough of that. Anyway, have you ever worked in a library, dear? I remember sending you on trips to retrieve overdue books. I'm sorry about how that turned out, by the way. I suppose an adventure was fitting for a hero like you, anyway. Speaking of those books, I don't believe I ever got around to reshelving them. Let me show you a thing or two, lest we let your efforts go to waste. Familiar with that song, are you, traveler? Seems you've spent some time with Barbara, then. Have you heard Barbara sing before? Her angelic voice contains a magical healing energy. A different kind of magical energy than the ones in my potions, of course. I wonder which one you prefer. Don't worry, I won't make you answer that. We have work to do anyway. Here, dear. Why don't you put this book next to the one with the green cover over there? Looks like the shelves are getting dusty. I suppose it can't be helped. Mondstadt's winds seem to carry dust in the second I open the windows. Oh, that's all right, darling. The Knights of Favonius have their own maid, you know. Are you familiar with Noelle? Noelle may be the only one to rival Jean in work ethic. Every time I ask Noelle to dust off the bookshelves, I'm always left with the sense that the more exhausted I make her, the happier she becomes. Yes, who knows what's going on with her? Well, you've put a book away for me, and what a good little helper you've been, cutie. Let me think of a way to reward you. Ah, look at the time. It's almost time for afternoon tea. A wonderful reward, don't you think? Let me go ahead and brew you one of Lisa's famous cups of tea. What weather we're having today. Many people aren't fond of rain, but I just think it's perfect weather for sipping a cup of tea while gazing out the window. The perfect cup of tea takes patience, my dear. I know it smells wonderful, but we have to give it time. Over-eager, are we? If there's one thing I've learned over the years, it's the importance of letting things happen slowly. Some mistake this for laziness. Speaking of, I saw you walking through the dandelions with D-Luke the other day. Are you two close? He's a rather mysterious individual. Misunderstood by many, I'd say. But, well, if you want to know about D-Luke, I know someone else you should talk to. Everyone has a past, I suppose. Even you, traveler. I can tell you're hiding something, you know. But don't worry, I won't press for details. My past? So, you want to get to know me a little better, huh? That's a story for another day. But I'm touched you asked. In any case, I think the tea is finally done, my overeager darling. Here you are, cutie. You know, you should visit the library more often. I may be inclined to stay awake longer. Oh, careful. It's still a little hot. I wouldn't want you to burn your mouth. Do you have any plans for the rest of today? Personally, I was planning on brewing some potions tonight. If you find the time, do you think you could bring back some calla lilies? Together, I bet we can make something extra special. Actually, if you're feeling adventurous, I have a couple of extra potions laying around that I've yet to test. All harmless, I promise. This one will make you giggle, and this one will induce sleep. This is an aphrodisiac. This one keeps... Oh? One of them caught your eye already. Oh, I'm sure I can guess which one. How about you drink this for me? Do you feel that fluttering in your chest? A warmth spreading throughout your stomach? Is your head starting to spin a little? It's the giggle potion! Aw, aren't you just the cutest when you laugh? I could listen to that sound forever. No need to worry, darling. It'll wear off in just a few moments. It's a low concentration. I'm just using it to test side effects. Oh, that reminds me. Do let me know if your eyeballs pop out of your skull later on, alright? I'm just teasing. Those effects seemed to wear off rather quickly, didn't they? We could try a bigger dose this time. Oh, was this not the potion you were hoping for? Let's try this one then. I have a feeling this will be very popular once it's fully developed. Go ahead. Take a sip, darling. There you go. Do tell me if you experience any unsavory side effects. Research is important, after all. You're not feeling anything yet? It may take just a bit for you to feel the effects of this potion completely. I recommend not taking your glider out while you're under the effects of this particular potion. Well, now that I think about it, you shouldn't be gliding under the effect of the previous potion either. Somehow I think uncontrollable laughter would make for a rather bumpy ride. Oh? I can tell your eyes are drooping. This is the sleepy potion, by the way. Oh, you wanted to try the other potion? Well, I'm worried about how it would interact with the sleeping. Oh, I can see you drifting off. At least come sit next to me. And come lay your head on my lap. Good, good. Is it all right if I run my fingers through your hair, darling? Go ahead and fall asleep. I'll make you a fresh cup of tea when you wake up. Oh, wait, one last thing. A kiss on the forehead from master to follower. Now you're my star pupil.